Largely as we anticipated. We're just over 18 months in with, from the entry into force of the free trade agreement. And we've seen a number of exporters really take advantage of the tariff reductions and the easier access to the market. I've pulled some of the latest numbers for you guys. So for the 12 months ending September 2024, goods and service exports to the UK were up 13.9%. That's our highest exports to the UK in the past decade. To put that in dollar terms, that's $420 million worth of more goods and services that Kiwi exporters have exported to the UK compared to a year ago. And look, it's still early days, and we know that trade and leveraging the free trade agreement is a long game. But the lift in exports is fantastic to see, especially with the ongoing challenges that many of our New Zealand businesses have faced in the past 12 months. Oh, look, we're seeing lots of Kiwi company success stories over here, and I guess one that's worth highlighting is Scapegrace Distilleries, who have been working with their partner Waitrose and the John Lewis partnership to really build that brand. And last week they actually had a store promotion, end of aisle promotion, and window promotion with Waitrose. And we're starting to see some really innovative sort of brand development from them. And they only were listed, I think, 12 months ago with Waitrose. So that's from entry to growth success story that we're seeing. The first campaign that we're kicking off is a business-to-business communications campaign that's designed to help food and beverage exporters engage with and tell their sustainability stories across the major UK retailers. Sustainability remains a key differentiator in the UK, and our Kiwi food and beverage companies have some great sustainability stories to tell. So we're really excited to be able to support them as they clearly communicate their stories directly to the UK retailers through the campaign. The second one that I'd love to just call out, we have a UK Farm Open Day that will be showcasing the best of New Zealand agri-tech solutions to UK farmers. So that'll see us taking over one of the UK's top dairy farms, and we'll be practically demonstrating some of those agri-tech solutions. And agri-tech remains a real focus for NZTE, and we're starting to see those partnerships between the UK and New Zealand really grow. Obviously, we had the UK Agritech delegation to New Zealand last year, and also the recent announcement by Agritech New Zealand about their partnership with the UK Agritech Centre. So there's a lot of energy being poured into the agritech space right now. 5 years, New Zealand tech exporters to the UK have doubled. So from where we sit, we see the New Zealand tech exporters or tech and service exporters as a really big opportunity here. We've seen 37% increase compared to a year ago, and it is now our fifth largest sector exported to the UK. So the metrics are looking really good. And in the past 12 months, NZT has worked really closely with 89 technology and services companies in the UK. And so we know firsthand how awesome, their solutions are that they're bringing to the market. Look, the UK is a tough competitive market when it comes to technology, but we're seeing these companies really cut through. So companies like Safe 365, Aura, for example, and Gentrack are really starting to carve out niches for themselves and go extremely well here. And what is really exciting, I think, is the continued growth, not just in the UK, but now Europe. And I'm not sure if your listeners have seen the TIN 200 report that actually called out the EU as our fastest growing region at 15.7%. So total exports of New Zealand, technology into the EU is valued at 2.37 billion. So that's a pretty awesome sector. We're extremely excited about it. And as I said, would just love to see that continue into the future.